company R&D. Huang Liang has a strong professional R&D staff and the ability to accommodate customized requirements. Using the advanced production methods, we develop many new products every year with innovative production technology and shortened mass production time. Advanced technology improves productivity and reduces production costs. Therefore, Huang Liang has invested millions to bring in Vector Network Analyzer with frequency up to 40 GHz. Thanks to the contribution of this high-end instrument, Huang Liang is offering 40 GHz connectors and cable assemblies to meet the requirements of both 3C and military markets.